Symmetry, patterns and nets. Spiral learning. Knowing about symmetry, patterns, net of a cuboid. Net of cube, solid objects. Objects and shapes show symmetry if one half of it is a mirror image or reflection of the other. The line, which divides the object shape into mirror images, is called the line of symmetry. The two halves are called symmetrical halves. Some objects' shapes have more than one line of symmetry. Draw the lines of symmetry in the following and write the number of such lines. Draw the mirror image of the following. Patterns are the sequences of shapes, pictures, numbers or objects in an order. Patterns may be repeating, increasing, decreasing, directional or a combination of these. Symmetry. We observe symmetry all around us in nature. In the symmetrical objects, we find the symmetrical halves. Symmetry makes their outlook balanced and pleasing. Look at some man-made objects given below and identify the lines of symmetry. Some objects' shapes do not show symmetry. They are said to be asymmetrical. More than one line of symmetry. Some objects' shapes have more than one line of symmetry. Each line of symmetry shows the line along which the object shape is reflected. A square has 4 lines of symmetry. A triangle with 3 equal sides has 3 lines of symmetry. A rectangle has 2 lines of symmetry. Its diagonals do not form the lines of symmetry. A circle is a unique shape, as uncountable infinite lines of symmetry can be drawn through its center in every direction. Draw some more lines of symmetry in the adjoining circle. Group work. Make groups of 3 students each. Each group should collect a pencil, a ruler, 2 paper sheets, a pair of scissors, glue stick. Student 1. Draw some shapes objects on the paper and draw its possible lines of symmetry. Student 2. Cut out the shapes drawn and fold them along the marked line. Student 3. Check which of the folded cutouts have symmetrical halves and paste them on the other sheet as shown below. Turning shapes. Quarter, half and full turn. What happens when we turn a shape or design about a fixed point? Let us observe a design of a card made by Shruti. Is the design changed by turning it along its center? Observe the design on turning it by a quarter turn, 1 right angle, a half turn, 2 right angles, and a full turn, 4 right angles, as shown below. Does Shruti's design change on every turn? If she colors the design with the same color, would her design have looked the same on these turns? For this, observe the following. Quarter turn, half turn, full turn. Some designs are looked the same even on turning. Let us observe the following design, which is looked the same on turning. One-third and one-sixth turn. Some objects' designs are looked the same on turning by one-third or one-sixth. One-third turn. One-sixth. One-third turn. One-sixth. Look at the following shape. One-third turn. One-sixth turn. The shape is looked the same on rotating by both the one-third and one-sixth turn. Integrated learning. Draw some shapes of rangolis such that they will be looked the same on rotating by both one-sixth and one-third turn. One is made for you. Patterns. A pattern can be created using a design. It may be repeating, increasing, decreasing, directional, or a combination of these. Now let us create some directional patterns by turning the shapes. Creating patterns. Quarter turn. Repeating quarter turn. Half turn. Repeating half turn. One-third turn. Can you create more such patterns? Nets. Let us open up some cuboidal and cubical boxes to observe what they look like when flattened. A. Cuboid. Open up cuboid. Net of a cuboid. B. Cube. Open up cube. Net of a cube. These opened up flat shapes of solid shapes are called nets. Nets can be drawn and folded back to get solids of the required shape and dimensions. Net of a cuboid. A cuboid has 6 faces. 4 faces in the net of a cuboid are rectangles. The other 2 faces may be rectangles or squares. The dotted lines on the net show the folding lines, along which the net is folded back to get the solid shape. Cuboid. Open up cuboid. Net of a cuboid. Cuboid. Net of a cube. A net of a cube has 6 equal square faces. Cube. Net of a cube. Drawing cuboids and cubes. To draw solid shapes like cuboids and cubes easily, we can use the ordinary dotted paper or isometric dotted paper. Can you see the difference in these 2 types of dotted paper? Let us draw a cuboid on each of these 2 dotted papers by joining dots and observe the difference in their drawing. Ordinary dotted paper. Isometric dotted paper. The drawing on the isometric dotted paper gives the more real and natural picture. Perspective in viewing solid objects. When we view a solid object from different directions, we get the different shapes as shown below. Front, top, side, Lab activity. Objective: to practice turning of shapes by 1/4, half, full, 1/3 and 1/6 turn. Materials required: cutouts of various shapes from newspapers or magazines, sketch pens, white paper. Procedure: 1. Give one cutout of shape, white paper and sketch pen to each student. Ask the students to place a dot on top of the cutout of shape. 2. Ask each student to outline the shape on the white paper sheet using a sketch pen. Then, using the dot, the student should turn the shape by 1/6, 1/3, 1/4, half and full. Outline the shape so formed each time. 3. Ask students to exchange their shapes and draw similar outlines.